Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, hello, my name is Delia Mireya. For this video, I will be sharing with you guys a time lapse or a super speed cleaning video, clean with me. We're gonna be tackling the kitchen, the dining room, and the living room, and it's gonna go pretty fast. So keep your eyes open and don't blink at all. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. In my channel, you will find cleaning videos, beauty, and lifestyle videos. Let's get started with the dining room area. I'm just going to be throwing things that need to be thrown away, and I'm going to be cleaning it, and I'm going to be using the granite cleaner that I have along with the microfiber cleaner. Then I'm going to be moving on to my kitchen. I'm going to be throwing again things that need to be thrown away, putting things in its place. Then I'm going to be pouring some soap, some Dawn dish soap. That's my favorite soap that I've used for years to wash my dishes, and I like to put it in a small container, and then I just use a regular sponge to wash my dishes. I let them air dry, and I am washing them by hand. I don't use the dishwasher, but possibly, I don't know why, I am possibly thinking that I might start using it. I don't know, I might give it a try. Then I'm going to be moving on to the microwave and my stove. The reason why I don't use my dishwasher now, another thing, is because I have it filled with a lot of organizers, and also it's just easier for me to wash by hand. But I don't know, I might give it a try in the future. Then I'm gonna be sweeping, but I'm just, well, actually vacuuming with my vacuum that I have. I just feel like it picks up more of the dust and hairs. I have a lot of hair fallout when I'm gonna throw out everything that's collected from the vacuum. I'm like, really, all of these hairs, really, all of this dust and crumbs and all of that, which that's how I've been sweeping lately. I still use my broom and I do it that way sometimes, but sometimes it's just easier for me to use my vacuum if it's charged. Then I'm gonna continue on with cleaning my kitchen, organizing and cleaning the kitchen island, because that's one of the places that gets the messiest. So this is what my kitchen looks like. It looks pretty clean except for the dishes that are there. They are clean. I just need to put them away, but I like to air dry them. Then I'm going to be moving on to my living room, putting my son's toys away, putting things away from the little table. This is where my son keeps most of his toys and drawings and whatever he does here. So I'm just going to be putting that away. Then I'm going to be dusting a bit. Then I'm going to vacuum and I'm going to mop. That's pretty much it, guys, for this video, this speed through or time lapse video, which I don't really know what I'm gonna name it yet. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to the end. This was a quick video, but please do so subscribe to my channel. That way, also click the little bell. That way you're notified of all of my upcoming videos, cleaning videos, beauty, and lifestyle. Take care, guys. May God bless you all, everyone that's watching this video. I really do appreciate the time that you took out of your day to watch my video. Have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.